Good morning, Vikings. Welcome to Viking Vision. I'm Giovanna.
And I'm Brian. Welcome to our socially distanced Viking Vision. Viking Vision will stream on Thursdays at 10 a.m. Please tune in every Thursday for school info and Viking Spirit.
Welcome to the new school year. Here are your announcements for September 10th, 2020. In Viking Community News, Oxnard Union High School District has begun the year with online classes. We are scheduled to be online for the first quarter at this time. The first quarter ends on October 23rd. Be sure to log into your classmates, do your work, and keep an eye on your email and parent square. Be safe, wear a mask when you are in public, avoid large gatherings, practice social distancing, and wash your hands frequently. Let's work to get the infection spread down in the city of Oxnard and Ventura County so we can all get back to the classroom.
Vikings join a club or two at Club Rush today and Friday. Stop by and visit a club's Google Meet at lunch today and Friday to ask questions or sign up with club advisors. List of clubs and their Google Meet codes will be released today and Friday on Spirit Square. Get involved and join a club at Club Rush.
In Yearbook News, yearbooks can now be ordered online at yearbookordercenter.com. The school code is 8471. Get your yearbook now for the low cost of $70 before they go up on October 31st.
Did you have a great summer and do some extraordinary things? Send photos of you and your Viking friends on your summer adventures to be used in the yearbook. You can submit photos from your phone or your computer to be used in the yearbook. Download the HJE Share app and at hjeshare.com and enter school code HJ08471 to submit your photos. Check on Parent Square for more info.
Free meals for students enrolled in OUHSD. Serving days are Tuesdays and Thursdays at 7 and 9 a.m., noon, 1 p.m., and 5 to 7 p.m. On Tuesday, you will receive 2 breakfast, lunch, and supper meals. And Thursdays, you will receive 3 breakfast, lunch, and supper meals. You will be receiving several meals at one time. If you are picking up meals for more than one student, it is recommended you bring a cart on wheels to help you transport the meal boxes to your car. Serving locations are Channel Islands, Wainimi, Oxnard, Pacifica, Rio Mesa, and Adolfo Camarillo High Schools. Students enrolled in all OUHSD high schools except Camarillo, Rancho Campana, and Oxnard Middle College qualify for free meals throughout the community eligibility provision. Students enrolled at Camarillo, Rancho Campana, and Oxnard Middle College must have a qualifying meal application on file to avoid paying for their meals. Please call OUHSD Nutrition Services at 805-385-5749 or check your parent square.
Juniors and seniors, California Lutheran University admission with our Hispanic serving institution designation will be hosting their annual college includes U event for the Oxnard Unified High School District on Tuesday, September 15th from 4 to 6 p.m. Please see your parents' square to register for this event.
In sports news, Vikings, do you want to be part of the Viking football family? Wainimi High has just completed renovation of its weight room with 18 new workstations and installed a top-of-the-line stadium by Field Turf. And there is more to come with new state-of-the-art stadium lights and a full-color LED video scoreboard now being installed. This will be followed by new home-side bleachers and a major locker room modernization. Contact Mr. Gallegos at pablo.gallegos@oxnardunion.org if you would like to join the Viking football family.
Yesterday was College Wednesday. Each Wednesday, wear apparel from a college, trade school, or branch of the military. Send us your selfies while you are wearing your swag, and we'll post it here on Viking Vision. Send it to barbara.pickles@oxnardunion.org. Here are the selfies that we were submitted yesterday.
We've got spirit. How about you? Don't let the school closures stop your Viking spirit. Wear red and white or Viking swag Fridays at home. Any red or white or HHS shirt will do. Send your Spirit Day selfies to barbara.pickles@oxnardunion.org. Here are the pictures that were sent in last week.
announcement for today, Vikings. Be sure to continue to check your email and Parent Square for updated information daily. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and stay well.